Two Taste believes the best way to take control of your health is through cooking, and anyone can cook. When you cook, you get to take control of the ingredients and preparation method, which allows for healthier choices.
Knife skills are the fundamental and most important skill to master in order to be successful in the kitchen. Why? Because when you cook from scratch, knives are used more than any other tool.
Throughout this course, you will learn about different types of knives, proper knife care, how to comfortably and safely hold a knife, different cutting techniques, how to cut the 10 most common fruits and vegetables, and more. After completing this course, you will be able to approach the kitchen with more confidence, you will save time and money, and you will have the satisfaction of taking control of your health through cooking. Are you ready to learn knife skills with Two Tastes dietitian chefs?